This is the most decadent, healthy chocolate mousse you'll ever try. Everyone who tried it said wow, and no one believed that this mousse is protein-rich, plant-based and made with wholesome ingredients. We start with silken tofu, our main ingredient that gives this mousse its texture, creaminess and protein. Now 1/3 of a cup of cashew nuts, pitted dates, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. 1/3 of a cup of milk, I'm using oat. Dark chocolate, I'm melting mine in a microwave. It takes about a minute with 20-second intervals, stirring in between. Blend until smooth and divide between glasses or ramekins. The recipe makes 4 large or 6 small portions. Chill in the fridge for a couple of hours. I like serving this mousse with coconut cream. It's basically a solid part of whole coconut milk that has been kept in the fridge overnight. It whips nicely and makes a lovely fluffy foam. Would you make this chocolate mousse? Let me know in the comments below.